Hello, my name is Einstein, and I am a data scientist. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the strategic importance of artificial intelligence for businesses and science. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives, from the way we work and communicate to the way we learn and make decisions. With AI, businesses can automate many of their processes, enabling them to save time and money while also improving their products and services. They can also gain valuable insights into their customers, competitors, and markets, allowing them to make better-informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. In science, AI has already proven to be an invaluable tool for researchers and scientists. It can help us to discover new drugs, identify patterns in complex data sets, and even simulate complex systems like the weather. With AI, we can achieve breakthroughs in fields ranging from medicine and engineering to astronomy and ecology. But to fully realize the potential of AI, we need to have the right skills and expertise. That's where this course comes in. In this course, we will show you how to design and develop AI-based systems using a range of tools and techniques. We will cover topics such as machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and more. By the end of this course, you will be able to develop your own AI-based systems and have them deployed in production. So if you're ready to take your skills to the next level and unlock the full potential of AI, this course is for you. Join us, and let's explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence together.